Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can send out an SOS messages with an example on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we are going to swipe down and tap on advanced features. Then swipe down and tap on send SOS messages. At the top here, tap on the switch to turn it on. Next, it will ask you to add recipient, so tap on the add button. In here, choose create contact or select from contacts. From the contacts list, choose a contact that you want to use. You can select one or up to 4 contacts and then tap on done. Okay, next, we're going to go to the press the side key section. In here, you can choose whether to use 3 times or 4 times. So that is when you want to initiate the send SOS messages, you can press on the side key either 3 times or 4 times. Now we're going to go down and choose auto call someone. In the list here, you can select who your phone, which contact your phone will call. So I'm going to say choose this one here. I'm going to tap on that, and that will effectively select that contact to make the call. Okay, next we're going to go to attach pictures. In here, you can choose whether the message will include the attached pictures. So it will use the front camera and the rear cameras to take a photo. So as soon as you press on the button, the phone will activate the front camera to take a photo, then the back camera to take a photo, and then it will attach to the message. It can also attach an audio recording, so you can turn this feature on or off. If it is on, the phone will record a 5-second audio recording, and then it will attach to the text message. And lastly, there is an option here, send messages to. If you want, you can always go back in here and add in more contacts by tapping on the add button, and then choose select from contacts, and here select a contact that you want to add to the list. And also you can also tap on the delete button to delete any contact that you want to remove from your SOS messages list. And okay, so that is all the settings for your SOS messages. Now we're going to test it out. So I'm going to press on the side key 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now because I didn't press fast enough, so the screen locks itself. So we need to press the button a little bit faster. Okay, so I did it too fast again. So say your SOS message will be sent to your contact in 10 seconds countdown. And now it is sending SOS messages. It also do a number of things. So you can see it's doing quite a lot of things. And it got here, stop sharing your location. To go to SOS messages setting, you need to stop sharing your location. So I'm just going to cancel it for now. So your phone, while during this process, your phone doing a lot of things. You can see it will try to send out text messages. It also try to make a phone call automatically. Now, in some circumstances, you might not want the phone to automatically make the call, because then if you are in danger, then basically when the phone is making a call, it can make some sound and other people can actually hear that you're trying to make a call or reaching somebody. So perhaps that is something that you need to decide if you want to have your that features turned on or not. So I'm just going to go down and clear out some notifications. And if I go back into settings, go down, and I'm going to open SOS messages. I'm going to tap on stop sharing location because it still has that message right there. So in a text message, let me see if I can try to open it up to see what's going on. So you can see it's taking a photo, using the front camera, the back camera, an audio clip, and a GPS location. So it's got I need help. It's got GPS locations, and then it will now go to that GPS locations and tells the recipient, the location that I'm currently at. Okay, so now it's currently show my locations. Now these are just mock locations or fake locations. It's not real location. I'm just having fake locations just as a demo video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.